Planning a trip to Vietnam? Here's our 3 days 2 nights Ho Chi Minh itinerary. Save this video para masulit ang pamamasyal sa southern part ng Vietnam. Day 1. After 1 hour and 30 minutes flight from Da Nang, nakarating na kami sa Saigon Airport. Nag-check-in agad kami sa hotel, La Memorial Hotel City Center, via bookings.com pa rin dahil mura and meron kaming free breakfast. Nagpahinga muna kami, then freshen up, then we go out to buy foods. Sakto dahil may nearby 7-Eleven, kaya dito na lang kami bumili. I was shook sa kanilang 7-Eleven dahil may mga made-to-order foods. Sana all, diba? By the way, yung hotel pala namin is malapit lang sa Bui Vien Walking Street. If feeling mo ang mag-party, you guys can go here. But for us, mga tito at tita, mas pinili naming magpahinga. For day 2, we started our trip at Cafe Apartment. Tumambay muna kami sa Meraki Cafe and I ordered the famous egg coffee. Very foamy, right balance of mapait and creamy. From there, naglakad lang kami papuntang Klook Ticket Booth right beside the Saigon Opera House for our city sightseeing tour later that night. After namin makuha ang ticket, nag-lunch muna kami sa Secret Garden. Di mo akalaing may restaurant pala sa rooftop ng residential building. Then, naglakad lang kami papuntang Notre Dame Cathedral, Book Street, and Saigon Central Post Office. Trust me, nalalakad lang yung mga attractions dito dahil magkakalapit lang sila. Then we go shopping sa Vincom Center, which is malapit lang sa Ho Chi Minh City Hall. Pumunta din kami sa Saigon Center to buy shoes. We also tried the famous banh mi in Ho Chi Minh. No words, just 10 out of 10. To end our night, we go back to Saigon Opera House for the city sightseeing bus tour. First time kong matry ito. Mapapasana all ka na lang talaga dahil walang traffic. Super nag-enjoy kami dahil after mo maglakad the whole day, mas ma-appreciate mo itong tour na to dahil nakaupo ka lang the whole time. Day 3. Today is our last day but then nakalimutan namin mamili ng pasalubong. So agad kaming pumunta sa E-Mart for cheaper and wider selection of goods. Some suggest na sa Bentham Market or Saigon Square mamili but most of the stores there ay di tumatanggap ng credit cards. So, since last day na namin, paubos na yung pera and ayaw na namin mag-withdraw ulit dahil baka di maubos. So we decided na dito na lang bumili ng pasalubong sa E-Mart. After mamili, bumalik na kami sa hotel para mag-check out and pumunta na ng airport. Like I say, you can squeeze this itinerary to enjoy other attractions pero baka kulangin kayo sa time. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna upload later the complete budget for our Vietnam trip. Bye!